All right, in this video I'm going to go over how I set up a rinse system for the Caswell tanks. I use this garden sprinkler system to a garden hose here, and I'm not using this side, but I'm using this side, and I have cold water connected to this line here, and I can just turn it on and off with that valve. On the inside here, I have the mist nozzles coming out, and so I have them regularly spaced within the tank here. All right, and that just creates this misty environment that takes all of the chemical residue off of the parts before it goes to the next process. And so the thing that I had to change here was I put a hinge back here so that it can just open and close. Just rests on this guard wall here, and then when I have the parts in there, I just put it down. I had to drill regularly spaced holes to fit the nozzles through, and you know they're locked in there pretty well, so I don't get a lot of misdirection or anything like that. I don't really know if they'll clog up over time with this has only been running for about a week, so it's possible that it will clog up and I'll need to clean out or change these nozzle heads, but I'm not really sure at this point. I've also added a spigot here, and the water kind of drains through that spigot over, as the water level goes above that water line there, and that goes to treatment before sewer. So that's how that works there. So essentially this is how I've set up the rinse tanks, and I've done this rather than using dip tanks, because dip tanks can get dirty, they can get algae growth, and you have to worry about contaminants. So I opted for just a clean spray of cold water, and I'm using city water all along this process. I don't really use DI water, and I'm getting good results, although if you're doing this professionally, you may need to do some testing to see if that's sufficient for your process. This one looks a little bit different. This is a cleaning station here. It goes through degreaser and then a water rinse. So I've added hot water here, so I can spray with hot water and reduce the temperature of the hot water to make sure that the water doesn't get too hot. I don't know how these lines will hold up to hot water over time, so I have both hot water and cold water to get rid of any debris and oil from the parts. So that one's just slightly different, but same concept with the misting nozzles. Thanks for watching this video.